Hello friends, this is Praveen. Welcome to online course on Python basics. In my last video, I have discussed about tuple data types in Python. Today, I am going to discuss about set data type in Python. So sets. What is a set? It is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. Unordered means the position of an element within the set is not fixed. It can be at first position or at last position or in between. It is not fixed at all. Unindexed means the element's values cannot be picked using its index. So how sets are written? As lists are written within square bracket, tuples are written within parenthesis. Similar to that, sets are written within curly brackets with curly brackets. So how another way to create a set is using set constructor, as we have used to list constructor to create list data type and tuple constructor to create tuple data type. So let us take it on our IDE, and we have been working on this Python this spider IDE. So let us take it here. So first we will create a set data type. So course set is equal to, and I'm just putting this curly braces and pass the list number of courses. So I'm just passing Python, then PHP, and then ASP.NET. So just control enter, and if we check the data type, so we need to use this type function. It will return the data type course set. So it is a set data type. Now set can also be created using set constructor. So I'm just making a new underscore course set is equal to set constructor, and within this we have to pass elements. So let us pass some. I'm just passing two elements here. ADT, it is advanced for advanced telecommunication, and ML, it is machine learning. So let us execute this one, new course set, and I will check the type of this new course set as well. It should also be of type set data type. It is a set data type. Now what if we want to pick the values? Since it is unordered and unindexed, we cannot pick the value. So unordered means, let us take first to print. I'm just printing course set. You see Python, ASP.NET and PHP. So we have passed element in the sequence. First was Python, then PHP, and then ASP.NET. But it has changed its sequence from uh, Python, PHP, ASP.NET to Python, ASP.NET and PHP. So the position of the elements are not fixed. This is unordered. Now what if we try to pick the value using its index? Coset 0. So set object is not subscriptable. That is, it is unindexed. So we cannot use index to pick the value of any element. Now next is, if we try to create uh, try to pass duplicate elements in a set, what will happen? As tuple and list was accepting duplicate elements, but here in the case of set, it does not accept duplicate elements. So let us make a new coset. So course underscore set is equal to, and I'm just passing few of the elements. So first is ML, machine learning. Second is deep learning, and third is again ML. So I'm passing ML twice. Now I just want to check what happens. So this has got executed, but if I try to check this, print this course list, course underscore set, what it will return? It is returning ML only one time. So it does not accept, it discards duplicate members. Only it accepts duplicate members only one time, and rest of the duplicate members gets discarded. Now get back to our presentation. So for loop is used to loop through the set items. We cannot use index to access the elements within the set, but we can use for loop, similar to what we were using with the list and tuple. So just we can use Coset, Python, ASP, and PHP, and for x in Coset, print x, and it will print all the elements. So let us take it here. So for x in course set, and I'm just printing print x. So it will print Python, PHP, and ASP.NET. So it is printing Python, ASP.NET, and PHP. Since the sequence is not fixed, it is not, it is unordered. That's why it is printing in its own sequence: Python, ASP.NET, and PHP. Now get back to our presentation again, and there is in keyword, which is used to check if a specific item is present in a set or not. So let us check it here. So if some element, I'm just taking PHP in course set. So if it is present within this course set, then it will return true. If it is not present, then it will return false. I'm just printing yes. That means if PHP is present in the course set, it will print yes. If it is not present, it will not do anything. So it is not printing. Now if I pass PHP in uppercase, which is present here. So if we try to pass, then it should print yes. This is printing here. It is printing. So this is returning true. Now let us check the functions. What are the functions this data type, this set data type has? So let us check it here. So I'm just making course set dot. The moment we do dot, you can see a capitalized case fault, center, count, encode, point, format. A lot of set functions are there. A few of the functions are here. we'll use a few of the function. Coset dot add, and when we try to add an element within this coset, it will get added, and that position will not be fixed. Though that position will not be fixed, uh, so I'll just add some course here. I'm adding AI, artificial intelligence. Control enter, it got added. If we try to check this course set, it will show all these four elements: AI, AI, ASP.NET, PHP, and Python. Again, the sequence has been, the position has been changed. So it is unordered. Now, next function is update courses.update. So it updates the set with the union of this set and others. So let us take it here. So course set dot update. Let us take it here, and we will pass this. We want to update it with new course set. So it has got updated. Now, if we check this course set, it should contain all the elements from this course set as well as from this new course set, new underscore course set. ADT, AI, ASP.NET, ML, PHP, Python. Now, what if we try to update it with this course underscore set? So let us check it. Course underscore set. So what will happen here? This ML is common. ML is common. So this ML will remain only one time. It will not be duplicated as it does not accept duplicate elements. It does not allow duplicate elements. So you can see here only one time. ML is placed only one time. Now next is we have union. So it returns a set containing the union of sets. So what happens now? I'm just making union of these two sets, course set and new course set. So course underscore set dot union, and I'm just making this new underscore course set. So what will happen here? It will not update course set. It will return a new set. While in the case of update, it was updating the original set, but in this case it is will not update, or it will not update this course underscore set. So let us take it here. So a new set is returned having elements ADT, ML, and then deep learning. What if we take this course underscore set? So it will remain intact, ML and deep learning. So ML and deep learning. It does not have this ADT. So the difference between update and union is update updates the set itself, while in union it returns a new set. Now next is copy. So it will return a set containing the it will return the copy rather. it will return copy of the set. So let us take it here. It is returning the copy of the set. Now next is we have difference underscore update function. Cos underscore set, cos underscore set dot difference underscore update. So what this will do, it will remove the items in the set that are also included in another set. So I'm just adding this with new underscore coset. So what will happen, since this new coset and this coset ml is in common, so this ml will be removed from this coset. So let us take it here, course underscore set. So now check it here, course underscore set. So this ml should not be there in this set. Deep learning, only one element. This ml has been removed as it was present within this new course set. Now next is we have difference. So course set dot difference. I'm just executing this again so that we can see the exact meaning, exactly how it works. So difference. So what it will do, it will return a set containing the difference between two sets. That means the elements which are not present in this new course set, it will returns all these elements. So let us take it here, new underscore course set. So now if we try to take it here, it is returning deep learning. But what if we try to check this original original set variable? So it is intact, but in the case of difference underscore update, it was getting changed. The scores underscore set was getting updated, but when you use this difference function, it is returning a new set variable. Now next is we have discard. So discard is used to remove an specified item. So discard, I'll use this coset, the first one, coset dot discard, and then we'll pass an element. So I'm just passing ADT. So it will remove that ADT part, ADT element, and if we check this coset, ADT should not be there within this. ADT is not there. What if we try to remove this again? ADT. Though it is not there, it is not throwing an error. Now next is we have remove. So remove is also used to remove an specified element. So let us take it here, coset dot remove, and I am trying to remove this ASP.NET. It has been removed. Now if I check coset, This ASP.NET should not be there. ASP.NET is not there. Now what if we try to execute this remove again and pass the same element as we have we have done in the case of discard. So in the case of discard, it was not throwing any error. But when you try to remove an element which is not present in the set, then it will throw an error. We have seen this in the case of discard, it was not throwing an error, but in the case of remove, it throws an error. Now we have another function to remove an element, and that is pop. So uh, pop is used to remove any random element. Since though pop is used to remove last element, but here in the case of set, uh, it is unordered. So any element can be at the last position. So we will not get to know which element has been removed from the set. So let us check it here. Coset dot pop. ML has been removed. Though now next we have a clear function. So it removes all the elements from the set. So it will become uh, uh, empty set. Coset, can check it here. ML should not be there. ML is not there now. If we remove one more time, we don't know which element it will remove. So it is removing AI. Now we'll use this remove function, sorry, clear function. So clear function, it will remove all the elements from the set. Dot clear, and it will return an empty set. So if we try to check this coset, it should be an empty set. Nothing is there, no element is there. Now we'll execute this again, so that's few of the elements is there. So now we can work on this. So another function is we have intersection. Intersection. So what do we want? We want to return a set that is the intersection to other sets. So Coset dot intersection, Python, PHP, and ASP.NET. I'm just checking with this course underscore set, and there's no element intersecting, or there is no intersection, no element is in common. So it should return an empty set. Course underscore set. So it is returning empty set. Now what if I add one more element here, and that is Python. So now this course underscore set will have this Python in common. So now if we execute this function, intersection function, again it will return Python. So it is returning Python, as this is common between this course underscore set and coset. Now another function is intersection underscore update function. Coset dot intersection, and here what will happen, this course set itself will get updated. We can check it here. the course set is still intact. It is having all these three courses: Python, PHP, and ASP.NET. But what if we do this course set dot intersection underscore update with course underscore set? It will remove these two elements, ASP.NET and PHP, as it is not present within this course underscore set. Now, if we try to execute this course and course set, it will have only Python. Next function is we have is disjoint. So is disjoint, what does it mean? It returns whether two sets have an intersection or not. If an intersection is there, it will return false. If an intersection is not there, it will return true. So, X. So what we will do here, coset dot is disjoint is disjoint, and I'm just passing uh, course, this one, course underscore set, and course underscore set has this Python element in common. So it should return course set dot is disjoint. This one is disjoint. Course underscore, oh, this one, course underscore set. So it should come now. It is returning false as Python is in common. Now, if we try to check it with this course underscore, this new underscore course set, it should return true as elements are not in common. It is returning true. Coset is, so let us check it. What are the elements here? Coset, it is having Python, and here it is having ADT and ML. So no element is in common, it is returning true. If element is in common, it will return false. Now another function is subset. If a set is a subset of some other set, so let us check it here. So I will make two sets, or we have a set rather. So we have a set here, Python. I'm just executing this line of statement. So this coset has a Python, PHP, ASP.NET. Now I'm updating this new underscore coset is equal to, and I'm adding few lines Python, few elements, sorry, Python and PHP. So what is happening? This all the elements of this set, new underscore set, is present within this course set. So this new underscore course set is a subset of course set. So if we check its subset, then it should return true. So course set dot is subset. Now what is happening? I'm checking the course set dot is subset of new underscore course set. So it should return false now. Since since this is this is a superset, this is a superset, it is not a subset, it is a superset of new course set. If we interchange the position, then it will return the true. So let us take it here. I will just check here course, sorry, new underscore Coset dot its subset, and if it is now this new underscore Coset is a subset of Coset. You can see here new underscore Coset is having two elements, Python and PHP. Coset is having Python, PHP and ASP.NET. So it should return now true. It is returning true. Now there is another function superset. Now if we change here, earlier it was returning false in the case of subset, now it will return true in the case of superset. Coset is superset of new Coset. Yes, and in this case earlier it was returning true, now it will return false. Just change here to superset. So it is returning. So this is all about making intersection, superset, subset or union. Now next function is we have length function. So this length function is used to return number of items present in a set. So length, I'm just passing Coset. So it will return 3. If we pass new underscore Coset, it will return 2, as it has only 2 elements. Now there is another function del that is used to remove the complete set. So if we try to remove this Coset, it will delete the variable itself. And now if we try to access this variable, it will throw an error, Coset is not defined. So this is all about the set data type in Python. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you must have enjoyed it. In my next video, I will be discussing about dictionary in Python. If you liked the video, then please like, subscribe and share it.